Hey, this is Paul at Barbarian Electronics inside of Moon Music in Austin, Texas. We're looking at a vintage 67 Super Reverb here, and this is the first amp I've ever had that ended up having a faulty reverb transformer. So I set up an experiment to show the bad windings. So this is the transformer. Going into the secondary side, the green and black wires is my channel 2 there, the 1 kilohertz 1 volt amplitude sine wave. And what I've done is I have my scope probe connected via the leads there to the same side. If those windings were corrupt, we should see a corrupt waveform of some degree on the oscilloscope. But as you can see, it's a pure sine wave. So we are safe to assume that the secondary side of that transformer is good. I'm going to set it down for a second while I transfer over to the primary side. And just take a second. Okay. Now, this is the primary side, so I'm backing the voltage way out. I think I had it at like 100 millivolts before on the scope, and now I have it at 5 volts because, of course, on this side it's going to be a much larger, it's transformed to the higher voltage output there, and you can clearly see it's very corrupted. So if I had put the 1 volt sine wave on the primary side first and connected the scope probe to that same side, it would probably look like this. So yeah, you can clearly see. And so the sonic artifacts that I was hearing was just lots of reverb pinging. So with no signal applied to the vibrato channel, volume at 0, and reverb tank connected. As I turned the reverb knob up, and especially if you turn it to 10, you just heard all kinds of intermittent, weird sonic artifacts that sounded kind of reverby, right? So yeah, that was the symptom, and that is how you can diagnose the transformer. You don't have to remove it to do that. You could just remove the leads, possibly even inject the signal into the RCA jack or clip on. I wasn't thinking about it at that time. I hijacked another reverb transformer and put it in, and it worked again. So I knew this transformer was bad anyway, but now we've proven it with the signal gen and scope. So there you go.